Okay, check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Whoa! Lesson 77. Converting units of mass and weight. When you go to the doctor for a checkup, the doctor takes many measurements. Your doctor might measure your height, your temperature, and also your blood pressure and your heart rate. To measure your weight or mass, they use a scale. So mass is the amount of matter an object contains, and weight is the measure of the force of gravity on an object, which you all know that because it's how much gravity pulls down on you, so how much you weigh. All right, so units of measurements, or units of weight, actually. We've got the U.S. customary system, and we use pounds, which the abbreviation for pound is LB, and the measurement for ton, we also use ton, and you can just write TON. The abbreviation is just take out the O, but we can just write TON. So 16 ounces equals 1 pound, and 2,000 pounds, LBS for more than one, 2,000 pounds equal 1 ton. The metric system, they use grams and 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. And 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. And 1,000 kilograms equals 1 ton. A metric ton. Oh, so this abbreviation is TN, but that's the U.S. customary abbreviation for ton. And then this abbreviation is, that is not a plus sign, that's a T. And then the metric system's abbreviation for ton is a T, because a lowercase t, a ton in each one is different, I guess. An earth kilogram is about 2.2 pounds, and a metric ton is about 2,200 pounds. So a metric ton and a U.S. customary ton are about 200 pounds different. Example 1. A large elephant weighs about 4 tons. How many pounds does a large elephant weigh? And so we're going to do 2,000 pounds. We're in the U.S., so we're using U.S. customary systems. So 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. And they weigh 4 tons. So 4 times 2,000 pounds equals 2, 4, 6, 8,000 pounds. So 8,000 pounds is about how much a large elephant weighs. Example 2. Boyd's watermelon had a mass of 6 kilograms. The mass of the watermelon was how many grams? Well, 1 kilogram equals 2,000 pounds. And, 1 kilogram, I'm so sorry, I'm not. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and 6 kilograms is 6 times 1,000 grams. So 6 times 1,000 equals 6,000 grams is how much Boyd's watermelon weighed. Example 3. Antony works at a sandwich shop and uses 2 ounces of cheese per sandwich. If he makes 16 sandwiches, how many pounds of cheese does he use? Well, so we've got to find out how many ounces he uses first. So 6 times, there's a couple ways you can figure out what the first step is. So you got, he's got 16 sandwiches with 2 ounces each. So he's using 32 ounces total, and 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So 32 ounces equals 2 pounds. That's how much he uses total. And example 4. Mr. Harris's truck has a cargo capacity of about 1/2 of a metric ton. So 1,000 kilograms is what his capacity is. And he's got 3 containers that he needs to put in this ship. So we're going to estimate the number of how much this weighs, and then we're gonna see if it says he has 3 containers weighing 156 kilograms. So I'm gonna estimate that to 150. And 127 kilograms, I'm gonna estimate that to 125. And 149 kilograms, which I'm also estimating to 150. Will the weight of the containers overload the truck? So the weight of the containers is 150 and 150, which is 300, and then 425 kilograms. And the question is, will the weight of the containers overload the truck? And his truck has a cargo capacity of 1/2 of a metric ton, and 1 metric ton is 1,000. So 1/2 of a metric ton is 500 kilograms. So the answer is no, his truck will not be overloaded. But you have to show your work. And all of these you have to show your work, because I have to be able to see your thought process so that if something goes wrong, we can tell where it went wrong. All of your lesson practice today will be done in your work. Have a great day.